Today we see practice set 4.1. Question number 1. Question number 1 is Pawan Medical supplies medicine. On some medicines, the rate of GST is 12%. Then what is the rate of CGST and SGST? So all of you know, आपको पता है GST has two components. First is CGST and second is SGST. CGST means Central Goods Service and Tax, and SGST means State Goods Service and Tax. Now rate of GST, rate of GST, rate of GST है 12%. Rate of GST है 12%. तो rate of CGST is equal to rate of GST upon 2. Rate of GST 12 by 2 means 6%. So rate of CGST 6%. Now rate of SGST, rate of SGST means rate of GST upon 2 means rate of GST is again 12%. Here 12%. 12% by 2, that is 6%. So rate of CGST and rate of SGST are equal, means 6% and 6%. Now question number 2. On the certain article, if the rate of CGST is 9%, then what is the rate of SGST and what is the rate of GST? All of you know, rate of CGST and rate of SGST are equal, and rate of GST means rate of CGST plus rate of SGST. So here rate of CGST is equal to 9%. Therefore rate of SGST is equal to rate of CGST, means rate of CGST, that is 9%. Therefore rate of SGST, rate of SGST 9%. Now rate of GST, rate of GST, rate of GST means rate of CGST means Central Goods Service and Tax plus rate of SGST, it is 9% plus 9%, that is 18%. 9% plus 9%, 18%. Therefore what is the rate of SGST? Rate of SGST is 9%, and what is the rate of GST? That is 18%. Now question third. Messrs Real Paint sold 2 tins of Lustre paint, and the taxable value of each tin is rupees 2,800. If the rate of GST is 28%, then find the amount of CGST and SGST charge in the tax invoice. Now taxable value of each tin, taxable value of one tin, rupees 2,800. Real Paint sold 2 tins, means taxable value of 2 tins, 2,800 into 2 means rupees 20 to the 56 means rupees 5,600. 600. Now rate of GST, rate of GST 28%, rate of GST 28%. Therefore rate of SGST and rate of CGST, तो GST के आधा रहते हैं दोनों भी रेट 28 है तो 28/2 मीन्स 14%. Rate of SGST and rate of CGST is 14%. Therefore CGST or SGST equal to 14% of taxable value. Therefore SGST is equal to 14% of taxable value. 14% of taxable value. So 14% of 5,600. 0 0 0 0 get cancelled. Means 14 into 56. 14 into 56 rupees 784. 14 into 56 rupees 784. इसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है 14 into 56 rupees 784. Therefore amount of CGST and SGST charged in the tax invoice. Amount of CGST and SGST charged in the tax invoice rupees 784. Rupees 784. Now question number 4. अभी question 4 देखेंगे. The taxable value of wristwatch belt is rupees 586. वॉच का जो बेल्ट है, बेल्ट की प्राइस है 586 रुपीज. हाँ, रेट ऑफ GST is 18%. Rate of GST is 18%. Then what is the price of the belt for the customer? Simple problem है. देखो, rate of GST 18%. Rate of GST 18%. Taxable value of wristwatch belt rupees 586. Rupees 586. Therefore GST is equal to 18% of taxable value. GST is equal to 18% of taxable value. Next 18/100 into 586. 18/100 means 0.18 into 586. इसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. 18 into 586 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. वो हमको मिलता है 586 और 18 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करो. 586 और 18 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने से हमको यहाँ पे मिलेगा 10548. तो यहाँ पे हमें 0.18 है. ये देखो 112 मीन्स रुपीज 105.48. ये क्या है? GST. देयरफॉर Price for customer. What is the price of the belt? Price of the belt for customer. Price of the belt for customer. तो ये क्या होता है? टैक्सेबल वैल्यू प्लस जीएसटी. टैक्सेबल वैल्यू प्लस जीएसटी. तो टैक्सेबल वैल्यू है ₹586 प्लस ₹105.40. ठीक है, एडिशन करना है हमको. तो एडिशन क्या आता है देखो अभी. एडिशन क्या आता है? 586 प्लस 105.40. 6 plus 5 11 1 9 5 plus 1 6 means rupees 691.40. This is the price of the belt for customer, rupees 691.48.